Sunshine, rain, wind, snow. The sky is always changing. Today we're exploring weather and wild storms. Weather is what the sky is doing right now, how hot or cold, wet or dry, calm or windy it is outside. All our weather happens in the air around us, a giant blanket of air called the atmosphere that hugs the whole Earth. What powers all our weather? The sun. Its heat warms the land, the sea, and the air, and that's where weather begins. The sun warms water in lakes and seas until tiny bits float up into the air as invisible vapor. This is called evaporation. High up where it's cold, that vapor cools and clumps onto tiny specks of dust, building fluffy clouds out of billions of water droplets. Clouds come in many shapes, wispy and feathery, puffy like cotton, or flat and gray, and each kind hints at the weather to come. When the droplets grow too heavy to float, they fall as rain, splashing down to water the plants and fill the rivers. Up, down, and around again. Water rises, makes clouds, falls as rain, and flows back to the sea. We call this the water cycle. Wind is just moving air. The sun heats some places more than others, and air rushing from one to the other is the wind we feel. A breezy day is perfect for kites. Strong winds can also push clouds across the sky and drive big storms. Fog is simply a cloud sitting right on the ground, so thick you can hardly see your hand in front of your face. When warm, wet air rushes upward fast, clouds pile high into giant towers, and a thunderstorm begins to brew. Inside the cloud, tiny bits of ice rub together and build up electricity. Then, zap! A lightning bolt leaps out, hotter than the sun. That bright flash heats the air so fast it explodes with a boom. Thunder. Light is quick, so we see it before we hear it. In a storm, the safest place is indoors. When you hear thunder, head inside and wait for the storm to pass. Quick check, true or false? We see lightning before we hear thunder. True. Light travels much faster than sound. When sunlight shines through raindrops, it splits into every color and paints a beautiful rainbow across the sky. When it's very cold, water freezes high in the clouds and falls as snowflakes, and no two are ever exactly alike. Sometimes storms toss raindrops up so high they freeze into ice balls called hail, which can clatter down like marbles. The most powerful storms can spin up a tornado, a twisting funnel of wind so strong it can lift cars right off the ground. Out over warm oceans, giant spinning storms called hurricanes form, so big you can see their swirl all the way from space. When too much rain falls too fast, rivers overflow and water covers the land, a flood. That's why storms deserve respect. How do we know what's coming? Scientists called meteorologists study the sky and make forecasts to warn us about big storms. They use clever tools, thermometers for heat, rain gauges for rain, and spinning vanes to measure the wind. As Earth journeys around the sun, our weather changes through the seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. The best way to handle wild weather is to be ready. Check the forecast, listen to grown-ups, and have a plan. From sunny deserts to snowy mountains, weather is happening all over our amazing planet, every single moment. The sky is full of wonders to discover, and maybe one day you will chase storms and forecast the weather. Thanks for exploring the weather with us. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Learn Big. See you next time, explorers.